Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the LCM of two numbers in Python. So in Notepad I have just written the basic multiples of these two numbers. So let's say we want to find the LCM of 36 and 24. So we need to find the common multiples, which are 72 and 108. So our least common multiple is the lowest of these both, which is 72. So now how to make this in Python? First of all, we need to see which number is greater, number 1 or number 2. So, in our case, number 1 is greater. So, LCM is 36 for now. Then, wait, first let me just write this down. So, if number 1 is greater than number 2, our LCM is number 1. Else, if number 2 is greater than number 1, then our LCM is number 2. Now, how this works is, in our case, this is greater. So, as we saw in 72 and in 108, this number is divisible by these both numbers and the remainder is 0. Same goes for 108. But in a Python compiler, it will just return the lowest number first. So, we need a while loop to test this out. So, while true, if LCM, if the remainder of LCM divided by number 1 is 0, and if the same goes for number 2, we just break this loop. Else LCM is incremented by 1. So what this does is, if this is divisible by these both, then it'll return that LCM. Otherwise, if it isn't, then LCM is incremented by 1 until it reaches the LCM of these both numbers. And now we just print this. Number 1, 36. Number 2, 24. See, it returned 72. Now how this works is, so in our if loop, we saw this, like we are seeing that LCM is number 1, and if LCM is divisible by 0, if the remainder of LCM divided by number 1 is 0, and the LCM divided by number 1 gives the remainder 0, then we just break it. But 36 cannot be divided by 24, and it doesn't give the remainder 0, so it'll go to 37, which is not divisible by 24 and 36. Then it'll go on until it reaches 72. Then it it matches these criteria, and then it breaks the loop and it just prints LCM. So now to just make this look better, we can do this. It shows LCM is equal to 72. Now we can take many other numbers. Let's say 4 and 5. The LCM of these both numbers is 20. As we can see, it's 20. So now for 4 and 5, it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. For 5, it is 5, 10, 15, 20. So now this number 2 is greater. So LCM is 5. 5 cannot be divided by 4. So it goes on to 6. 6 cannot be divided. So it goes on until it reaches 20, which is divisible by both of these numbers. And it gives the remainder 0. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Now let's take the LCM of 10 and 20. Now let me write the multiples of these 10, 20. So in this case, number 2 is greater, so LCM is 20. 20 is divisible by 10 and 20, and it also gives the remainder 0. So our LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.